All right, I got a no cooling car here, probably about 30 degrees out here today, but I want to go ahead and get this off my schedule, so I just had the homeowner turn the AC on. I just heard a click. I can't really tell which one it is, though. I heard a click come from somewhere, but nothing came on. I don't know if it's this one or that one. It serves it downstairs. The click seemed like it came from right here, though. Man, that stump must be still growing. But I'm gonna open, let me see which one is bigger. Usually, the bigger unit serves downstairs. That's a 4-ton, so this gonna be the smallest one. So I want to see if the contactor engage on one of these. Cold out here. Let's see what the temperature is. That's probably about 40. Okay, so that contact is not in. I got a feeling this right here may serve upstairs. It seemed like I heard it coming from this unit right here. Heard a little click. So I'm gonna open that one up. I have to cut these trees down. $41. Let's take a look at this contactor. Too cold out here for this, folks. Take a look at this one here. Oh man, I can't see what's going on with this contact. Shoot. I guess I gotta pull the meter out. Click. I believe it's gonna be that big, you know. So I just heard a click. Yep, that's it right there, folks. That's it right there. May have been delay on it. I know I heard a click though. We put this panel back on this unit here. Let's see why we ain't got no power. So that one. Why not coming on here? Check this right here. Got power. Must be a bad cap. Must be a bad capper lapper. Let's see what we got on top of this here. Got 0 on top. Hey, what's going on here? Let's go to side here. Got 124, 120, 124. All right, so something going on with this one, leg to leg. Got 0 and 0, so something going on there. We ain't got 240, so I gotta go check a break or something here. And I'm gonna go ahead and take my picture real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and so I got 0. I'm gonna go ahead and try to flip a breaker. And if it trips, we're gonna have to dig a little deeper. So we got a stick on this one. See what they got going on right here. Let's check this line right here. Is this on? Alright, so it's my line side right here. I'll check it at the disconnect here. Oh look, got 240 right here. $240. Let's check the load side. Look, load side got 0. So something going on with this disconnect box right here. Oh, it's got fuses on this disconnect. So one of these fuses is gonna be blown here. So check continuity. I'm not gonna have any of these. That one good. So this one bad right here. That's bad. So probably just got a blown fuse here. Probably just got a blown fuse there, folks. I thought I might have one of those in my truck. Let's see if I get anything on this compressor here. All I'm gonna do is check it on the top of the contactor. Too cold to be taking the whole thing off right now. I got open line, and open line. So I ain't gonna worry about taking it off. I'll just replace the fuse. Know what I mean? Cause that fluke gonna find it. See if I I got one of them in my truck here. It's a 30. 30. I'll probably just come back here. Since it's on the outside, just come back here another day. Tomorrow, something pop it on. I think it's about 4:30. I don't know, it's not gonna be open this time of day. Like I said, 30-something degrees, high 40s all week, so they ain't gonna need it right now. Yeah, not. I'm not gonna have that fuse right there. You tell them they can turn it off, and then I'll just slide by here one day and put one in there. Yeah, I ain't got this size. Probably the only thing I'm gonna have right here. That ain't gonna do it. All right. Yeah, so that unit it's gonna need a fuse.
Okay.
And I don't have one in my truck.
Okay.
So I might just slide by here since it's on the outside, and I can just replace it because it's on the outside out there.
Okay.
Y'all probably won't be needing for the next couple of days.
Right.
Yeah. But if
No, you're not getting that dog. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, but if I can get you good. If I can get one tomorrow though, I'll slide by here and get it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. All right, y'all take care.
No, you're not getting that dog. Stop.
30. All right, folks. Like I said, too cool for them to run it now. So I'm just gonna. I think this is off right here. If we put it that way, yeah, I'll just leave it off for right now. That's off position. Just leave it off. I'll just come back with a 30 amp. All right, HVAC people, we out. Unit look kind of new. I'm gonna go ahead and check this cap too while I'm here. Might better get some more bread. I'm gonna do a little landscaping here though. Yeah, that's tough. Yep. 4:30. State don't pay overtime. Let's go. Cold out here, man. You gotta watch them knuckles. Let's see what we're working with here. All right. 44. 10. I think that's gonna be good. Yeah, 45-10. That's good. 45-10. Uh-oh. Should I turn it off? So that cap good. All right, it's raining, but I've been trying to get these fuses. I should have been back, changed these fuses out a couple of days ago. Still cold outside. They don't need any AC, but I want to go ahead and get them taken care of. In the day and time I chose to do it. It's freezing cold and pouring down raining, but I'm gonna put my jacket on to get it done, folks. We're gonna put these in over there. I don't want to get it too wet, folks, in this rain. Water and electricity don't mix. Right there. Go ahead and change both of them out. I keep the other one. All right, so I got those both in. All right, so I'll just throw this one in my little fuse bucket. Maybe have it for next time. All righty. I think this is gonna be on right here. All right, so I'm gonna have a lady go turn it on. I want to check the amps. That's 20 amp. I think it's a 20 amp or a 30 amp. Can't remember. I'll check the amps though, make sure it's not over amp. All right, you turn it on for me. Okay. All right, got about 8 amps. Probably just satisfied. Well, 24, not calling for it no more, but that's good. It'll probably keep back on. See how to lower that thermostat. Right now we're sitting there, what, not too bad, 51 degrees out here today. All right, it's back, people, we out there. All right, so I guess I'm gonna have to put a stick or something on here to keep it closed. That's what they had. So I'll put a screw or cut a little piece, stick that. I was gonna change the capacitor, but look back at my photos and that cap was good, so I ain't gonna check it. I think that's all they need was some fuses, so get up out of here.